welcome. My name is Abigail and I upload these daily videos so that we can talk about confidence, because the more we work on our confidence on a daily basis, the more confident we become, and with confidence we're able to have more impact in our lives and the world at large. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notifications button so that you can get your daily boost in confidence. And make sure you watch to the end of the video so that you can find out how you can win a ticket to my confidence workshop on the 4th of August. So let's take a look at what today's thought on confidence is.
It's okay to live a little. The opposite would be deathly.
If you're anything like me, you are constantly working on your personal development. And you know what I've discovered is that it can get really tiring. It can become tedious almost to be constantly checking in with yourself, seeing how it is that you're feeling, recognizing where the opportunities for growth and change are. And that gets tiring, just like going to the gym. You can't sustain it. You have to have your off days as well. You can't be going to the gym 7 days a week. You have to have your off days so that your muscles can rest and relax. And I believe the same is true for your personal development. You have to have your off days as well so that you can just relax and unwind. Because it's in those down times where your brain continues to work in the background. Your subconscious mind is continually processing all the information and all the work that you are doing on a daily basis. So even though you're not consciously working on it, even though you're not physically doing your brain exercises and, watching your thoughts and watching your responses and all that self-awareness exercise, your subconscious mind is still processing. So it's okay to have fun and let your hair down once in a while. In fact, it's necessary. It's necessary to have fun, because otherwise you're not going to be able to sustain it. And I find this is exactly what I'm doing here while I'm in Bristol with my family, is I've given myself permission to let go a little bit, to give myself some time off, to just go with the flow. And I know that it's exactly what I need to be able to recharge and get back on it. So give yourself permission to have fun once in a while, let your hair down, and know that you are still working on it subconsciously, and that you'll be preparing yourself and your energy to get back on track, to get back on to the daily routine. But I think the key is to make it a conscious decision. So that's my thought for the day. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you are ready to take your confidence to a next level, to really learn and implement the practices that you should be implementing on those days when you are actively working to increase your confidence, then you can win a ticket to my confidence course happening on the 4th of August. All you have to do is share this video on Facebook, and in your post have the hashtag confidence workshop competition, and then come back here and in the comments leave a link to your post on Facebook so I can go and check it out. And the more times you do that, the more entries you have. So get sharing, and otherwise make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, share this video with a friend, and I will see you again tomorrow.